One of my most successful plays was called What About Leonardo? And the picture there on the left shows the premiere in Ljubljana in Slovenia.
أحد الممثلين وهو من أشهر الممثلين في سلوفينيا ألقاه مدرسه على الأرض بطريقة
Hoffman, mislim da je katatonično stanje gospoda Martina dokaz da sam imela prav.
Now, one of the actors, one of the best-known Slovenian actors, during rehearsal was thrown by his teacher in such an unfortunate way that he nearly broke his neck. He damaged it very badly.
أحد الممثلين وهو من أشهر الممثلين في سلوفينيا.
Another actor, he is standing there to the right at the back, fell behind the scene, fell down the stairs and broke 3 ribs.
في نفس العرض سقط الممثل آخر.
The London production of the same play, a young successful lady took up drinking and she became an alcoholic. Her husband divorced her, threw her out of the house, and she vanished from the scene altogether. Nobody knows where she is now.
هذه هي لقطة من العرض في لندن.
An unusual thing happened there. They had 4 pillars on stage which were held by the wire. One of the wires snapped and the pillar fell on an actress and she had to be taken to hospital.
للأسف انفصل إحدى الأسلاك.
The lady here on the right, playing a doctor, I learned later that she is also one of the best-known Japanese porno stars. When I came home, I typed her name in Google, and believe me or not, I had to close my eyes.
لا يبدو أن أحدا من اليابان يخجل في اليابان يخجل من ذلك وهي أيضا.
But something very amusing. They painted a lifelike picture of Rembrandt's Night Watch, so it looked exactly the same as the original in the museum. For some reason, thieves thought that it was real. They stole it from the stage, and about a week later, it was found abandoned in the main square in Jakarta.
Jangan nakal, Rebecca. Sepatu mungilku sayang.